Hello everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 5th, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number, this will be number 5741. 5741. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Alright. 2 threes. 3 fours. 2 fives. 3 sixes. 4 sevens. 1 8 and 1 2 nines. Well, so the ones, the twos, and the sevens are in majority. Can I start with the 1? Yeah. How about the 1 in this column? The 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row. 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. We have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. There 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 1 now. Let me check for the 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, no. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Well, 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, I cannot continue with the 2 now. I need to wait. How about the 7 then now? 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see Digit number 1, number 7. How about the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1? Nope. How about the 2 then? 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No, I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 3, 3, 3. And now. 2, 4, 7, 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 1. 5, 5. I'm scanning. 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah, I need a 9. 6 in this column. 6 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, here can it be 3? Yeah. 6, 8. 6, 8. 9, 9. Need a 6. Here can it be 6? There can it be 6. The 9. 9, 9. 8, 9, 8, 6, and the 3. Well. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this big square, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. Wait. Yeah, 9. Wait. Yes, I need to wait. 9. How about the 4 then? 4. No. 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 3 box. And 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4. Well, in this column we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. Third column. One of the missing numbers in this third column is the number 4. Here can it be 4? We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here can it be a 4? We have a 4 in that row. So no 4 there. So the 4 in this third column could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 4 in this row. First row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2, 2. 5, 5. Come on. 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. 2 and the 3. Well, yeah, I'm thinking 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 8, 5, 6, then 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 6, 6. 1 is also missing. 1, 1, 1, 6. 3 is missing here. 3, 3, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2. Oh no, we already have a 2 here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, oh, we have a pair, I believe. Yeah. We have a 2 and a 5 in the last row, the 2 and a 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about the 2? Do we have all the 2s? No. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 9? I cannot. 9. Well, 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 number left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column, the third column, is the number 6. Well, here can it be 6 because we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can it be a 6 because we have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers are left now in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, okay. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, yeah. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the, again, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.